Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the color of your Samsung keyboard. To do that, open the Play Store app. Now just search this. Just install this app on your smartphone. Tap on proceed. Now just allow all. Go to your home screen. Now just search this. Download this app on your smartphone. Tap on active. Enable. OK. Enable Keys Cafe. OK. Switch keyboard. Select Keys Cafe. Style your own keyboard. Theme. Select a theme. Download. Apply theme. Now open the keyboard. As you can see, we have changed the color of our Samsung keyboard. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.